Hey guys, it's Mary, and I just received the auto ship for the Confetti Border Dies. Let's just do a recap, in case you don't remember which one they are. They're from Crafter's Companion, and the auto ship is through HSN. So in the beginning, we got the hearts, the birds, butterflies, and scattered flowers. And then we've already got one. We got, in May, we got the first auto ship, and that was the balloons and the streamers. And so this month we have, get it out of here. We've got spots and dots and twinkles. So stars and spots. So, and there's only 2 more auto ships with for this one, which is good because sometimes the auto ships drag out for a long time and then you run the risk of not getting them. So we've got, in September we'll be getting the nature, which is petals and leaves. And then the last one will come in November, and that'll be dragonflies and laurel leaves. Kind of a weird combination, but whatever. So, all right, so let's open the stars and do it. No, let's open the spots and dots. Oh, look at how cute they did that on the back here. Do you see that? With the all the rainbow colors. Oh, pretty. All right. So they're not very big, and just for test purposes, I'm just gonna put them on this small card here so we can just get a look at it. And then put it, I'm gonna cut it down so I can put it in the little Hero Arts compact cutter I have right here on my desk. Make it quick and simple. The thing I like about this cutter is that it's got the long plates, where the other cutters that I was looking at just have the short ones. These plates are 8.5 inches long, so the other ones I think were like 6 maybe. All right, so let's get that in. I'm gonna get it a little bit to the side. And there you go, look at that. Look at how cute that is. And then you can use all those little dots, extra dots like they've used here, where they've made extra little, use the extra little dots. So I really like these because they're easy to use, they're simple. But you know, when you ink blend and stuff, it really has an impact. Oh, excuse me. So, okay, now I've stuck the paper on. Yeah, so let me know if you pick these up. I know that I'm pretty sure you could do it either the single, which was the 4, or the auto ship. And then, of course, they had them on Crafters Companion's website. And, you know, I don't go on there very often, so I don't remember whether they had some other extra ones that weren't on HSN. Sometimes they'll do that. They'll have a couple that are exclusive to HSN, but then HSN doesn't pick them all up. So then there's a couple that they have on their site that you didn't get to have with HSN, but I've tried to stop having that need to have a complete set of everything. And it is a struggle. And I'm sure if you have that same issue, you'll understand the struggle is real. It really is. But can't have everything. Excuse me. Hold on a second. So, let me know. Oh, these would be so cute to save and put in a shaker if they had color on them. Let me know in comments whether you pick these up as a single shipment or as the auto ship. If you got something extra and different at on the website, let me know. So, all right, well, I'm not going to have you sit here listening to me cough. So, I will make this quick before I lose my voice here. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you like the video, please hit the like button. It really helps us little YouTubers get a little bit of recognition, you know, when people are searching. So that really helps. Let me know in comments if you picked it up, and if you've used it, and which one's your favorite so far. Like I said, I really do like them. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you want to, you can hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell, and it will send you notifications. And if you don't want to hit the bell but you want to subscribe, that's all good too. It's up to you. So, all right, so that's it. Crafters Companion auto ship number 2 of the Confetti Dies. Stars and Spots and Dots. So, all right, that's it. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.